What's going on? What's going on, guys? How you feeling? Checking out the markets early this morning. Gold has been extremely bullish lately. Shout out to any of you guys that has capitalized off of gold. I think now is the time for us to take a look at things like NASDAQ that are lagging behind, especially us being at new all-time highs. Real soon. We're very close to all-time highs on NAS. So let's see if we can catch a run to the next all-time high. I'm in a small little sell right now. I'm in a little bit of profit at the moment. And I'm just gonna wait patiently on this sell right here. I'm not gonna lie, there is a possibility that we do start buying up from here. I'm just gonna watch it very closely since NAS is pretty bullish. What do you guys think? Everybody go ahead and drop Grand Rising in the chat if you're with me. Where's everybody at? Let me make sure I drop this link everywhere. I only dropped the link in a few places. I'm gonna make sure I drop the link everywhere. Got a few places to drop the link. Yes, sir. Let me make sure this link is. There we go. All right, that should be everywhere. Seems like everybody decided to chill today, which is fine. It's Wednesday. Yesterday we had the most action so far in the market, so I don't blame you guys for taking a day off. You don't have to trade every single day, to be honest. You really don't. I didn't have to take this setup this morning as well. All it took was one winning trade yesterday to kind of put us up on our account. So keep that in mind, guys. All it takes is one setup, one position to make you good for the week. So that's really all you need. That's all you need, fellas. Can everybody hear me? Let me know in the chat box. Can you guys hear me? Everybody good? If you guys did not catch this setup with me, this is fine. I do want to just let you guys know that I did actually drop this in the Discord, so I want to point this out. This is funny, but I did drop this markup earlier this morning. I did see the NASDAQ start to react towards the downside. This is why it's very important to be a part of the premium. If you're not a part of the premium or you're not active in the premium, I don't know what to say. And if you're in the premium chat right now and you haven't yet subscribed or your membership went inactive for some reason, I'm letting you guys know right now. I'm gonna start removing some people. As long as you didn't if you didn't purchase the premium membership, then you won't get access to these markups or these signals, because not every single time the trade is gonna happen when we're on stream. I like to hop on stream to go over things and let you guys know what I'm thinking, just so you guys see the thought process of every single morning. That's really what it is. Just so you guys can see what it's like every single morning hopping on here. That's the only reason why I'm doing this, just so you guys could see my thought process and see why it is that I'm looking at certain things. So if you guys can understand that not every single morning you're going to see an opportunity, or maybe the opportunity doesn't present itself while we're actually on here. So NAS was one of them where I woke up early this morning and I saw a potential distribution starting to play out. Right, this right here was giving me a lot of vibes of distribution. And once I saw kind of us retesting off of here, I knew that it was probably going to drop. I was initially taking the sell up here, but for the most part, we weren't on stream either. I didn't want to take a trade like without you guys, which is kind of I should have just took it anyways. But once we started getting on stream, I decided to just take the small retest here, and that's why we're in this position right here for the sell on NAS. We will have to pay attention because it's 9:30 in about 5 minutes, so anything could happen for any reason. Let's say it decides to snap back on us, which is something that is very possible. Very possible that we start to buy up from now. This is not the direction that could be solidified for the day. I do believe that when 930 comes out, there could be a possibility that we start to reverse. So I'm watching it closely. I'm watching the setup real closely. So just watch it with me, guys. Let's stay patient. And yes, sir. Everybody drop what cities their guys is tuning in from. I'd love to see where you guys are tuning in from. Yeah, 9:30 is coming out in about 5 minutes, so we are actually forming a 5 minute engulfing candle here. So I wouldn't be surprised if we do start making a move. Let's take a look at the dollar. So the dollar, the DXY. There was some news this morning. Let's take a look at the news. So this did come out greater than forecast, which would mean more bullish dollar. This came out advanced GDP less than forecast. So it's a little bit of a mixed data here. I would still probably remain bullish dollar, especially since we've been trending bullish and every single dip has been eaten up pretty aggressively. As you guys can see, every single time we dipped down has been eaten up pretty aggressively. So the dollar is most likely to continue in its path that it's been going right now, which means things like gold probably would start to sell off. Things like NAS probably will start to sell off, which is why we're kind of in these positions early. I do believe that a lot of this trading right here for the dollars is probably just going to continue towards the upside. So if you're seeing the DXY right now, you probably want to aim in that bullish direction, unless something shifts, unless structure breaks for some reason. Then you can start to look in the other direction. But what's up with you guys, man? Go ahead and drop them cities in the chat, man. Let me know where you guys are tuning in from. Looks like the chat is kind of, looks like you guys are just watching today. Let me know where you guys tuning in from. Let's see what happens here. 930 just came out. Let's watch it. We're in sells. The volume kicking in heavy towards the sell side. Remember, guys, we had called this early. Reason being is because we want to see the retest of the London high. So there's a possibility that that right there was a good entry for a buy. Let's see. I'm gonna be patient. Let's see what really happens here. Yeah, gold just completely melted. You know, I knew something like that was gonna happen. I want to believe something like that will happen on NAS as well. Hopefully we have a good enough entry. I really do want to believe that NAS would follow suit, especially since dollar is pretty bearish. I mean, dollar is bullish. What are you guys looking at today? Let me know what pairs you guys are looking at. Drop in the chat. If it's not NAS, are there any pairs that you guys would like for me to look at? What pairs would you guys for me to check out except for gold and NAS? Let me know. As you guys can see, 930 did come out and we just retested. And it's following suit. Following suit just like we expected. I don't expect anything different to follow. Especially the way that the dollar is moving. Gold sells, NAS sells. Damn. Man, chat, where y'all at, man? Where y'all at? Let me know what's good. I'll take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, it almost broke a new all-time high. You know what that means, guys. It's very close to a new all-time high. It had tapped, what, like 73,000? Right now it's at 71. That's crazy. Honestly, that is really wild to see Bitcoin this high once again. Really crazy. And I'll expect to see more dollar strength, so that means it might retrace one last time before it really takes off. Same with gold and Nas. I mean, I'm bullish long term, definitely bullish, but I can really see us making a move towards the downside before we get that. I might be taking a partial soon. I might be taking a partial real soon on this, just to secure something. We are pretty close to passing this, so just gotta lock in, guys. Let's go. Anybody in these cells with me? Anybody take the cell? Man, come on, guys. Don't be sleeping on me. Alright, I think now is a good time to scale out a little bit. Sheesh. Sheesh. Man. We are up on these NAS. That's crazy. Yo, drop a $sign in the chat. Yo, where's everybody at, man? There's three of y'all on here. Nobody's saying nothing. Y'all sleeping or what? Don't sleep. We just caught this nice move on Nas right in front of you guys. I think I'm about to close out. Not everything, but I think I'm very close to being on like the combine finished. How much is it? Let me check one more time. Top Step. I mean, if it's still gonna keep running, I'm gonna hold out for sure. Let's take a look at the dollar. It looks like it's retracing a bit. Could be a possibility that we start moving towards the downside with this rejection. So I'm being very careful. I want you to drop in the chat. Everybody drop. Are you bullish or bearish the dollar? Where do you guys stand? Are you bullish the dollar, bearish the dollar? Let me know. Alright, I'm gonna close out a little bit right now. We're in a sell, so we're gonna reverse the position. I honestly do think it's a good point to just close this out entirely. But I'm playing the fact of like we're on highs here for Nas, and this could be a really good entry. It's not like we could really swing anyways. So I don't even know if it's worth it. It's probably best that we just close this out entirely. But then again, it can continue. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to close out majority. I'm going to leave 2 contracts on as a runner. Actually, I'm going to leave 1 because I don't really trust it. I really don't trust it. So I'm going to put a limit right there. So I have this stop limit. So the profit target is 3,000, which is almost there, only like 1,000 off. I'll show you guys the dashboard. So this is the combine. This is how it looks. So basically the profit target is 3,000. Best day cannot be 50% of your total profits. And do not exceed $1,000 daily loss limit, or your account will be deactivated for the day. Seems very simple. I've only been focused on micro NAS. I haven't taken anything on gold. With it being 10 o'clock here soon, I wouldn't be surprised if we start reversing now. So I only left on one contract just to be sure. Only left on one contract. So as you guys can see, my stats for the combine. This is just an overview. I on average take 1 to 3. My percentage is 42%. And it's been working out pretty well. Let me see, what's my account summary for today? Yeah, I mean, we're on track. We're definitely on track. The growth is looking pretty good. I've had 2 winning days so far, 1 losing day, which is pretty great. We're probably going to take it slow for the rest of the week. And again, guys, I usually only drop my trades inside the Discord. So if you're not inside the Discord or you're not a part of the premium, go ahead and do so. Because, man, we've been hitting on all ends. So the markets are kind of cooling off. I really wouldn't be taking any more positions here. Unless there's another pair that you guys would like for me to look at. Maybe like Euro USD or USD CAD. It's looking pretty bullish here. I wouldn't be surprised if NAS starts going bullish from here. Or even gold. Let me check. It would make sense that we start reversing right now. Let me see. There is a possibility we start buying up from here. I think I might close some of the sells and look to buy. Even gold. Let me see the volume. Yeah, guys, I mean, all right, let me just drop this in the chat. I think I'm gonna hold out on these NAS buys here for the rest of the day and see if they play out. Anybody in this trade with me, let me know in the chat. Yes, sir. We caught the sells and then we started to buy right back up. This should be a great trading day. If everything goes to plan. Anybody in this buy with me, let me know. About to pass this combine right here with you guys. Yo, where's everybody at? Y'all sleeping or what? Let me know if y'all sleeping. I'm just gonna end the stream and just chill with these setups. Honestly, it doesn't matter to me. We caught the sell and the buy today. Does not matter to me. This one is gonna clear highs too, so we're about $800 away from passing the combine. But that's pretty much it for me, guys. Honestly, I'm gonna most likely just let this trade setup play out. Tomorrow we do have core PCE price index, so I'm curious to see how that really lines up before NFP on Friday. Very curious. Again, this week is NFP week, and we've been slapping the market, so I'm pretty excited. But let's get it, guys. I appreciate all you guys, and I'll see you guys at the top or from the top, because you guys already know the bottom is way too crowded. You know the vibes. We're going to let this position rock out. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to message inside of the Discord. Let's get it.